Generally, a party seeking to challenge the admissibility of evidence at trial must lodge an objection to the evidence in a timely manner and state specific grounds for the objection, unless the grounds are obvious. But what if a party makes general objections at trial without stating the specific grounds for them? Are these general objections reviewable on appeal? The United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit considered this question in Bandera v. City of Quincy. In 1997, the City of Quincy, Massachusetts, hired Kathleen Bandera as executive director for its new Community Policing Commission. Bandera reported to the city's mayor, James Sheets, and its police chief, Thomas Frane. During her first 10 months, Bandera was subjected to discriminatory treatment and sexual harassment. Bandera spoke to Sheets and Frane about her concerns, but they failed to act. Then, in June of 1998, Bandera was fired from her position. Subsequently, Bandera sued the city, Sheets, and Frane in federal district court in Massachusetts for gender discrimination, alleging sexual harassment and wrongful termination. Following discovery, the parties reached a settlement agreement. However, a few days later, Bandera called the defendant's counsel and disavowed the agreement. Prior to trial, the city anticipated that Bandera would call Nancy Coletta, a female officer in the city's police department, to testify as to her own experiences of sexual harassment. The city then moved in limine to limit or exclude the testimony on the grounds that it was irrelevant or unduly prejudicial. The court denied the motion, and the case proceeded to trial. At trial, Bandera's attorney asked Coletta about the sexual harassment she experienced and how she felt about Bandera's allegations. The city objected several times, but only explained the specific grounds for a few of its objections. Also, the city didn't lodge any objections based on improper lay witness testimony. The jury then returned a verdict for Bandera, awarding her $135,000 in punitive damages. The city appealed to the First Circuit, arguing that Coletta's testimony should have been excluded because it was improper lay witness testimony.